Divine Collective, I'm hearing Spirit say that all of this evil that these enemies have planned for you has in fact prepared you for the next level, and you are now ready for the next level. Okay, this is big, Divine Collective. This next level, this next chapter that's loading, Spirit says this is big. Whatever this is that you're building, Divine Collective, has a potential to reach far beyond what you currently see. And I speak about this often, Divine Collective. 3 years ago, I had a small vision. I was told that I didn't need an elaborate plan. All I needed was a plan. Okay, so that's what I did, as I'm not one to typically plan. I just had a plan, okay, just one small plan, and I followed that through consistency, Divine Collective, okay? But if you were to ask me back then, Dottie, do you see yourself where you are right now? I have to be honest in saying I would have laughed at you. It would have mortified me, Divine Collective, and I didn't. In all honesty, I did not see myself where I am now, okay? So again, what God has planned for you, Divine Collective, that's why it's so important that we release control in situations, that we try to stop controlling the outcomes of these situations, because there's a lot of times in your life where you can't see what it is that God has planned for you, and God's plan is always much more bigger, much more elaborate than anything I feel that you could ever imagine, Divine Collective, and that's just my opinion, right? But whatever this is that we're doing, that you're doing, Divine Collective, it's big and it has the potential to reach what you can currently see, Divine Collective. All right, and then I heard court is now in session. So court, spiritual court is now in session, Divine Collective. You're different, Spirit says. Literal alien DNA I'm getting. You're different. There has been psychological manipulation, confusion, and emotional warfare surrounding this situation. This card has been clarified many times today, Divine Collective, as the spiritual warfare card keeps falling out of my deck, okay? So again, there has been psychological manipulation, confusion, and emotional warfare surrounding this situation. That is why court is now in session. Healing begins when we stop staring at what has been lost, Divine Collective, and begin appreciating what still remains, okay? I feel like that goes hand in hand with releasing control and allowing God to control the situation, take control of the situation, let go and let God, Divine Collective. You know, you have to forget about the things that you feel that you've lost. Anything that you've lost in your life was never really yours to begin with, Divine Collective. It all starts with a change in perspective as well, okay? Because if it was yours, you would have never been able to lose it. Or someone would have never been able to take it from you. Say someone took your man, took your woman. If it was really yours to begin with, Divine Collective, that man, that woman, they wouldn't have been able to be taken. Get what I'm saying? Okay? So Spirit wants you to stop thinking about the things that you've lost in your life and start focusing and appreciating on what still remains, okay? Gratitude is very big on your journey, Divine Collective. I say that often as well. Show gratitude. I mean, even when I'm outside walking, I'm like, I'm thankful for the grass. I'm thankful for the trees. I'm thankful for the birds. I'm just thankful for everything. Gratitude is really big on this journey, Divine Collective. Do not take anything from this person coming towards you. Second time I've gotten this today. First time it was do not go anywhere with this person, okay? And now I'm getting do not take anything from this person. They may be trying to give you something that's cursed, an object, Divine Collective. It may be coming off as very innocent, very friendly, very kind. Maybe this is something of yours that's old and you thought that it was long gone. However, I do feel like someone is being very calculated here and strategic in trying to use some type of object to get back into your good graces here, Divine Collective. Don't take anything from this person coming towards you. Evidence will change the outcome, Spirit says. Evidence changes outcomes. Your path forward is not reactive chaos. It is strategic stability, Divine Collective, okay? So Spirit doesn't want you moving forward, you know, in a chaotic state of being, okay? Spirit needs you to be strategic with whatever the situation is that you're currently dealing with, okay? Be very strategic here. This is critical information, Divine Collective. The Hermit is here. I'm getting the Hermit. The court investigator, careful examination. The Hermit, court investigator. Spirit says that your dreams are coming true, Divine Collective. You know what I'm picking up with the Hermit? I keep getting that you're someone who stays to yourself here, Divine Collective. Someone is trying to produce evidence on the Hermit. However, the Hermit minds their own business. They never even really leave the house. So whatever evidence changes outcomes. Whatever evidence this is, it's all false. It's made up. Someone could have created like false AI paperwork or documents or something like that, Divine Collective. Whatever the case may be, Your name is being vindicated here. Someone is going up against the hermit. Kermit the Frog could be of significance. I wanted to say the Kermit. You have outgrown the version of yourself that once accepted less than you deserved, Divine Collective, and you will be moving soon. Someone here will be moving soon, Divine Collective, relocating. Spirit says you were never created to fit in. You were created to remember who you are. Okay, when you remember who you are, Divine Collective, that's when your light codes are activated. That is what Spirit is telling me. Okay, and once your light codes are activated, that's when you really start to shift the energy. Okay, when your light codes are activated, that's when people really start to find you, your soul tribe. Okay, Spirit says that someone has not been operating with integrity here in this storyline. They're mad because they feel like you're ahead of the game. Spirit says that you're ahead of the game not because you know every answer, Divine Collective, but because you chose growth over bitterness. And that is why you're ahead of the game, okay? You have someone here blocked, possibly on red. Maybe you're ignoring their messages, Divine Collective. Someone is experiencing heavy financial blockages. They could have lost their job, Divine Collective. Spirit says they invested into bad investments, okay? And there's a karmic energy here. This pregnancy, this pregnant karmic that I'm picking up on. This, I want to say jealous karmic pregnant woman, lady. This is a feminine, of course. You know, she's pregnant, Divine Collective. She tries to steer this person away from you. Why? Because it's something about how this person looks at you, Divine Collective. It's something about you. Spirit is telling me she tries to steer them away from you. She's always checking their phone to see if they're talking to you, Divine Collective. This is their karma. Spirit says this is their karma, okay? They wanted a relationship where someone was clingy all over them, Divine Collective. They wanted this type of relationship. They got exactly what they wanted, Spirit is saying. But I feel like whoever this is, they're tired of this karmic because it's too easy. And I picked up on that yesterday, Divine Collective, something about this karmic just being too easy, allowing this person to do whatever it is that they want to do, okay? I heard God's seen it all, he heard it all. And God is the ultimate judge, Divine Collective. Someone here has hit a brick wall. They have no protection, 9:44 on the clock. The Hermit twice, Divine Collective. That is of great significance, okay? Spirit is telling you to find a quiet place, Divine Collective.